Are you someone who constantly worries in your life for things which are in your control, for things which are not in your control, and every damn thing? Like you're always worried, you're always depressed, you're always wondering like why is it always me? Why do things not work out for me? If yes, you might want to continue watching, because at the end of the video I am going to share how I came out of that worrisome mentality and into a mentality wherein I don't care about what happens. Dekha jayega. So do keep watching. Now, if you're new to this channel, my name is Rubab Dutt Sharma. I am just a person who's sharing my own life experiences of how I am leading a happy life, and I do share some nuggets of the practical tips and tricks that I use on my day-to-day basis to help people like you, to help people like us to basically get out of those problematic situations. All right, so do subscribe if you've not done so. Thanks if you are a returning user. So first of all, before I get to how I got out of that worrisome situation, first, what is that magic trick? The magic trick is very, very simple. It is stillness, स्थिरता. Have you heard of it? कि अगर आप अपने साथ 5 minutes a day भी बैठ जाओ, 2 minutes a day भी बैठ जाओ, wherein your mind is quiet, you will have no worries in your life. I can guarantee it. मैं अभी पेपर पे लिख के दे सकती हूँ, because as I said, like I was the one who was always worrying about every small things, especially things which are not even in my control. I was always very full of anxiety and stuff like that, but now I am totally opposite of it. So how I've been able to accomplish this is just sitting with myself 5 minutes a day. Now you must be wondering, of course it's easier said than done, but trust me, it is possible, because I was someone who struggled with sitting in stillness as well. I'm sure you all can relate as well कि जब हम अपने साथ 5 मिनट भी दिन में बैठते हैं, हमारा माइंड शांत नहीं होता. Our mind is never peaceful. It constantly keeps thinking about one thing or the other. Even if I'm sitting quietly, I'll quickly take out my phone, or I'll speak with someone, or I'll scroll on social media. Yeah, I would be working or doing something. I would be in the kitchen, doing something for the kids, etc., etc. So my mind is always so occupied, and it's a sad thing that we've basically glorified that hustle culture कि हमें all the time कुछ ना कुछ करना है. अगर आप खाली बैठे हो, it's not good. Have you heard your parents say it कि खाली बैठना is not good. खाली बैठना क्या था वो कहावत, शैतान का घर, whatever, something like that. So we've been trained from childhood that stillness is not good, sitting idle is not good, but I'm here to challenge that belief that it actually is really good for you. Now, if you've seen my previous video, that's like a comeback video wherein I recorded that video after 4-5 months of break, and that's where I've spoken about like in those 4-5 months I was not doing anything for the social. Obviously I was doing my own things, I was not doing actively anything for the social media. Like there have been times wherein I'm just sitting idle. I'm not even thinking about, should I do social media, should I be posting it, should I not be posting it, what will happen if I don't post, what will happen if I post and stuff. I was not thinking anything. I was literally just blank minded, and I'm here to tell you that it is actually a good thing wherein your mind is blank for some time, because that is where you are able to retrospect and think about things that worked, things that you like, things that you enjoy doing, and not doing just because you have put some hard timelines on yourself. So sitting in that stillness is actually very, very good. It can do wonders to your brain. So I hope by now I have convinced you that sitting in stillness is really good. If you are someone who is just sitting there, not even watching this video, I hope you do, but if you're sitting there not doing anything, not thinking about good, bad, indifferent, what did they say, what do I have to do, just doing and just watching the ceiling or watching the nature outside, it's actually a good thing. All right, so I hope that justifies the whole point of why stillness is really important, and that is how you're going to get out of the worrisome situation. Second part of this video is how to basically calm your mind when you start practicing stillness. Because when I started practicing stillness, लोग बोलते हैं ना कि यार मेरे से तो meditation ही नहीं होता, मैं तो 2 मिनट भी मेरा दिमाग बंद ही नहीं होता, like it constantly keeps thinking about things. So the magic trick that worked for me is that I imagine a large field. I mean, you could imagine whatever you want, but I imagine a large field which is basically has a lot of like flowers and butterflies and sky with birds, and there are birds chirping around, like basically some scenery that I really find serene, something that really gives me peace, and that's what I focus on. It's as simple as that. कुछ ज़्यादा complicate नहीं करना है. If you want to start off with, there are obviously lot of like meditation videos etc out there on YouTube. Earphones plug in करो 2 minutes के लिए, उसको सुनो, imagine करो उस situation को, and then you will feel really calm after that. If you don't want to watch videos and listen to anything, just sit and imagine and visualize that scenery of peace that you have in your mind, and just focus on that. Yes, for first 4, 5, 6, maybe 10 sessions you will feel ki no, it's not working. Don't give up, because people who give up are never able to cross that bridge. So don't give up, because at one point, I'm telling from my experience, at one point of time your mind will be calm and your mind will focus just on that one thing which is giving you peace. Every other noise in your mind is going to go blank. That's a very, very simple thing. So today, I hope after watching this video, I'm challenging you that you go and try this out. Like, take out 2 minutes of your day, like zyada bhi kuch nahi, only 2 minutes of your day to try this out, and let me know via comments on what your experience has been. Or if you're someone who has already tried it out and it's not working, do let me know via comments as well. But I would really love to hear, because it's as simple as that and it has worked out for me. I'm really curious on why something so simple yet profound would not work out for someone like you. So I do challenge you, do go ahead and try, and if you are able to do it successfully after like maybe let's just say after 10 times, and you start getting into this practice, all the worries that you have in your mind will start to vanish. That is like the next stage. The beginning step of getting rid of your worries is start spending 2 minutes of your time at the very least with yourself each and every day. You could do it while you wake up in the morning, do it at night before sleeping, do it anytime, middle of the day, whenever you get some quiet time, just do it. Try it. Just trust me on this. It is a tried and tested technique. So, फिर मत बोलना कि यार किसी ने तो बताया नहीं कि मेरे माइंड की जो वरीज हैं किस तरह से दूर होंगी. So this is a very simple trick that I definitely do on a very daily basis, and it's really helped me. I hope it does help you as well. If you've liked the video, obviously do like it and share it with someone who needs to hear this today. And obviously do let me know via comments on what your experience with this whole thing is. Alright, I'll see you all next week with another interesting topic. Bye bye.